Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Brooks is here with you again to talk about telling time. We've already talked about how to tell time on the hour and the half. And today we're going to talk about how to tell time on the half hour. Now I want you to take a look at my two clocks. What do you think is the same and what is different about these two clocks? I'll pause the video so you can think about this. This clock says hour underneath it, and this says half hour. This clock shows 12, and this one shows 12. Why do you think they both have 12? If you're thinking because the hour hand is pointed to the 12, you're right. And if we remember, the hour hand is the short hand. That tells us the hour of the day. This clock says it's 12 o'clock. This side clock says it's 12:30. Whenever we say o'clock, we write 00 because there are no minutes pointing on there. And actually, we would have both hands pointing at 12 if it was 12 o'clock. Now, as time passes, that means that minute hand starts ticking around. It's going to tick all the way, and it might stop at the 6 when you look at the clock again. And if it stopped at the 6, now it's going to tell me it's a different time, because time has passed. But how much time has passed? The way we know is we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And that's why I wrote 30, because the time on this clock says 12:30. 12:30 is telling me the half hour, because this is, one way you can remember too, is it's half of a circle. When both hands are up and down, the minute hand and the hour hand, we're on the half hour. And it's hard to tell, but this one is my minute hand. I'll make it a little bit shorter so we can be sure that my hour hand is pointing at the 12 and my long minute hand is pointing at the 6. This time tells me 12:30 and it's on the half hour. And the reason we say half is because it's half the circle, half, and it's 30. And the total is 60. If we keep counting around by fives, we'll get to 60. Okay, think about that and we'll work out some problems with our math birdie.